Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today is day 3 of eating McDonald's to lose some weight. Today we have decided to skip the drink, skip the fries, and just go with 2 Big Macs. So we're just going to eat 2 Big Macs today. I don't want to turn into that guy that started eating McDonald's and he eats almost said a bad word there. I would never swear. He ate like McDonald's 3 times a day for like 50 years, and he's still alive. Recently, guy who did a documentary about that called Super Size Me. The guy who did the documentary highlighting how bad McDonald's is for you, he recently passed away, and the guy who eats McDonald's every day, 3 times a day for the last 50 years is still alive. It's pretty crazy. I'm getting close on this thing here. Well, you can see that right there. Sting. Take another little bite of it. Camera's so crazy. Here comes my wife to ask me a question. What can I help you with, honey?
Nothing.
So, according to the internet, a Big Mac has around 550 calories. If I eat 2 of them, that comes out to 1,100 calories. So if that's my only meal of the day, which it's going to be, then I should be lighter tomorrow. I don't know about three more pounds, but hopefully. Today I was like 217.4 pounds. Back on day 1, I started at 223 pounds. So total weight, we're down 6 pounds. And we're trying to get to 212 pounds. 212, right? Yeah, I think that's what it is. Doesn't taste as juicy as yesterday. Or maybe I'm already getting sick and tired of it. Can I see myself eating McDonald's every day for the rest of my life? Probably not. Because I love pizza, so. But burgers and pizza, man, goddamn, those are like the best foods over here, man. Okay. This one's a lot juicier. Let me show you guys the juiciness of this one here. Clean my fingers before I adjust my camera. But hold on a minute. Yeah, let's focus on that. So we got that, and in the back, it's like the sauce is coming out of the back. It's so delicious. So delicious. Mmm. I mean, this thing has everything you need, really. It's got protein in the meat. It's got your dairy. It's got your wheat. I mean, not your wheat, but like your grains in the bread. Some vegetables in the lettuce, pickles. It's got all the food groups. Just got too much sodium. Mmm. Yeah, this is so good. So I'm 5 pounds away from my goal of 212. Tomorrow's day 4. And then day 5. If I lost 3 pounds by tomorrow, I would be 214. But then if I lost another 2 pounds, I'd be 212. I reached my goal by day 5. My goal being to lose 1 pound of fat. I'd reach that goal by day 5, so in 2 more days. Something fell. I don't know what that was. There's nobody in here with me. Tomorrow, if I'm 215, I'll be happy. If I'm any heavier than 215 pounds tomorrow morning, I'm going to be worried. Because I have a road trip I'm going on. I'm not going to be on no 1 meal a day while I'm on my road trip. I'm going back home to the motherland, Chicago. So I'm going to make sure I can eat as much food as I can over there. Probably going to gain like 10 pounds of fat while I'm over there. All this work will be for nothing. Well, there we have it. 2 Big Macs, probably around 1,100. If it's 600 calories each, then we just ate 1,200 calories, which is way under the daily requirement for a grown man like myself, who probably needs about 2,000 calories per day. So we're on track. I'll weigh myself tomorrow morning, and we'll see how we did. Losing weight by eating McDonald's challenge, day 3 complete. We'll see you tomorrow for day 4. Peace. No mobile app. Let me get 3 Big Macs, just the sandwiches, and 1 McFlurry. What kind? Oreo. No, that's gonna be it. Thank you. All right. total is $18.25 today. I forgot to weigh. Well, I weighed myself this morning, but I forgot to put it on the camera, so I was around 217 point something. So I lost another 3 pounds. So yeah, let's pay real quick. No. Yeah. Thank you. $18.25. 3 Big Macs and 1 McFlurry.
I'm gonna need that the next window.
Okay. Oh my God. First told me to go to the next one and now they want me to back up.
3 Big Macs. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Better count them. Better be 3. I mean, I try to be as polite as I can with everybody, but man, like, she's right away dismissing me, telling me to pull up, and then 3 Big Macs. Like, how you can't give me 3 Big Macs like right there at the window? Like, you should have them. You should have a stack of 100 Big Macs ready to go at any given time. Like, that's your main thing, Big Mac. I thought she was gonna tell me to pull up because the milkshake machine was broken or something, because it usually is. But that's the first thing she handed me was the damn milkshake. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this little video, and we'll see you next time. Hopefully, maybe tomorrow I'm 214, lose another 3 pounds, but we'll see.